this tutorial you will learn how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First, open your Start menu and then open your Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the Keyboard section. Press Run. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work, expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select Standard PS2 keyboard. Press Next. Wait for your drivers to be updated. Press Yes to restart. If that didn't work, go back to Device Manager and expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Press Uninstall. Press Uninstall again. Press Yes to restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed.